To set the jig up, you'll need just a few tools. A framing square. I like a big one, but a small one will work. An adjustable square. I like to use the small one, but if all you have is a big one, that'll work just fine. Standard Phillips screwdriver. And if for whatever reason you don't have a lot of strength in your fingers, a pair of pliers may come in handy for one of the steps. So I'll set all these parts out now and let you know what they are. Set this to the side. This is the main jig assembly, and it comes with the aluminum multi-track already installed. The miter bar, and it comes with screws in it for screwing the jig down to it. An extra piece of UHMW tape, this bolt and nut that goes with the miter bar, your handle assembly with the lever and pinion clutch, pinion, extra stock carriage pieces, an 8-inch piece and a 3 1/4-inch piece, your caliper jaw lock, carriage stops, caliper hold down, angle clamping brackets, stock clamping guides and hold down bars, your indexing guide, and it has 2 little panhead wood screws with it, and your MFT clamps.